Rowing machine workout for beginners. How long should a beginner row on a rowing machine? Row for a minimum of 5 minutes and a maximum of 20 minutes when starting out. Keep a log of what you do each week. It will help with monitoring progress and motivation. Include other forms of exercises such as walking, jogging, tennis, swimming, weight training, etc. Rowing machine workout benefits. Rowing machines benefit all muscle groups, keeping you strong and well balanced. Rowing regularly will strengthen your shoulders, arms and back muscles as well as your glutes and hamstrings. It will also improve the strength and tone of your core muscles. At Sportywitty, our mission is to encourage people, of all ages, both men and women, to make physical activity and outdoor sports a part of their daily fitness routine. So, stay connected, and subscribe, and press that bell notification icon to stay updated. Indoor rowing technique. The rowing machine is one of the few pieces of training apparatus, found in a gym, that requires a moderate degree of technical competence. To both maximize the benefits of training and ensure that you do not injure yourself, there can be a wide variety of differing techniques. Proper rowing machine technique. The 4 rowing motions. The most important thing to remember is, it's about power, not speed. The catch. The first motion of the rowing stroke is called the catch. Sit tall on the rowing machine with your arms straight and your back upright. Your knees and ankles should be flexed so that your shins are vertical. From this position, use your lats to pull your shoulders down and engage your core. Then, lean forward slightly, still keeping your back tall. The drive. The next motion is known as the drive. Begin by pushing with your legs while still contracting your core muscles. When your legs are straight, hinge at your hips and lean back to about 45 degrees. The last movement in this motion is an arm pull, bringing the handle towards your torso, roughly a few inches just above your belly button. Note the specific order of body movements: legs, core, hips, shoulders, and arms. The finish. The finish is the resting position that is opposite of the catch position. However, you won't rest here for very long. Legs are long, back and shoulders are leaning away from the legs, hands are still gripping the handle which is pulled in toward the body, and elbows are tucked in toward the torso. The recovery. To complete the final motion called the recovery, you will essentially just do the drive movements in reverse order to return to the original catch position. Extend the arms, hinge the hips forward to bring the torso over the legs, then bend the knees. Voila, you've just made the first cycle in your Olympic full body workout. Things to remember. Don't grip too hard. Don't hold on so hard to the handle. Keep enough grip to not lose the handle, but also not so much that you wear out your hands, have achy forearms, and tear up your palms. Don't pull with your arms. Keep your elbows straight as you drive your legs. Remember, it's about your legs, not your arms. As soon as your arms bend, you've lost the ability to translate power from your legs. Breathe properly. Exhale as you drive back, inhale as you recover forward. 1 count back. 2 counts forward. If you're having trouble breathing, it's probably because you're rushing forward and shorting yourself on your inhale. Pull the handle to the bottom of your ribs. For the ladies, you want to pull the handle to the bottom of your sports bra. For the men, pretend you're wearing a sports bra. Sit up tall at all times. Hinge at the hips and keep good posture, like a good morning or a deadlift. Lift your chest up, don't let your lower back or shoulders collapse. Be relaxed, but with good posture. What works best for you? Do let us know your comment below, and if you like the content of this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.